what according to you is content marketing?
आपने ताजमहल बना लिया बट किसी ने देखा नहीं तो फायदा क्या?
Out of three, which is the most preferable form of content for the consumers?
Article will be more conducive. They grew rapidly to 200 million audiences or user base. Consuming the content became content creators also. The user is preferring video, so we have to transition.
Video content की shelf life ज़्यादा है.
We bucket the users into certain interest.
How important storytelling in video content? What is the future of video content in content marketing? So what is hyperlocal content and what is its relevance? Necessity is the mother of invention. In fact, necessity is the mother of evolution as well. So we are going to talk about the evolution of content in today's era. In India, digital marketing is still at a very adolescent stage. Okay. And if you see for the last 20 years, the entire content marketing has evolved very rapidly. We started the content marketing in a textual form. We used to write articles, we used to write blogs. Then comes the infographics or static post, and now we are pushing a lot of content in the form of videos, long videos, short videos. कहना गलत नहीं होगा कि video content is actually very important. Okay. Now in today's world, mass production of video happens, or the video content happens for mass population, for their mass consumption. Today we have Suyash Laktakia, and जिनसे हम बात करने वाले हैं content marketing में video content की क्या importance है and what is the future of video content. So welcome Suyash.
Thank you so much for inviting me, Sudhanshu. I've been going through your podcast series and it's so relevant for the aspiring marketers and the relevant and the industry per se. I think this is so relevant. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Can you share a bit about your background? I mean, why did you choose content marketing as a career?
So Sudhanshu, I think I would call myself as a storyteller. So I'm not many people know that I'm actually an engineer, and क्योंकि इंजीनियरिंग में I worked as an engineer as well. I was an electronic engineer, but obviously वहाँ पे मन नहीं लगता था because I was very fascinated with the world of advertising.
किक नहीं मिल रही थी.
किक नहीं मिल रही थी. I was fascinated with the world of advertising and I was too much into stories. So in सही शब्दों में if you will say that I'm that Ved of तमाशा जो कि stories सुन के बड़ा fascinated हो जाता था.
और अगर सही शब्दों में कहे तो आप relate कर पाते हो stories के साथ.
Yeah. So then I thought that it's not my calling, and I moved into I did my MBA from MICA. They taught me advertising over there also. That was the most interesting part, that I understood brands, understood communications marketing. उसके बाद then the whole I went into media में भी brand solutions से start किया. Brand solutions से when we started, we were doing a lot of content for the brands. And 2014, it all started. The whole transition happened when the content marketing started growing. And so I was one of the early ones who moved into content marketing in digital.
Okay.
So radio पे और TV पे होता था, AFP के format में होता था, सब होता था. But digital में it was very new.
Right.
2014, I think it was very new, where people were starting understanding content.
बहुत adolescent stage थी उसकी.
Right. So that fascinated me a lot, and I wanted to tell stories backed by brands. So लगता था कि कहते हाँ, you want to tell your own story, the ideas you have, but you still are getting paid by the brand.
Exactly.
So that was very interesting. I think मेरे को that's how I got into content marketing altogether. And वहाँ से journey start की. So even when I moved to Jagran, I think that point of time, so over there also हिंदी में उस समय तक कोई content कर ही नहीं रहा था. There was the content marketing meant everything was in English over that point of time. So when we started it, I think we were the first players to get into Hindi content marketing and addressing the audience which was untapped at that point of time. So interestingly, that kind of all the more hooked me more to, and that's how I formed the career in that.
So what according to you is content marketing, and आज के time में कैसे content marketing में preferences change हो रही है consumer की?
Okay, I'll take that content marketing क्या है first. I think so. When you have to promote a brand or promote a brand's some objective, and you use content to kind of promote that, that is content marketing. Now you do it by different mediums. You can do it by articles, via videos, via infographics, or so and so forth. So this is what content marketing is. Most important part of these content strategies is that how you plan three things. Your ideation has to be one part, one element. Your execution of that content has to be very important. And the third is, and the foremost, I think the most important thing is the distribution of that content.
Perfect.
So even when I relate it to my team, so what we've divided the teams into three parts. First is of course ideation, जहाँ पे हम कहते हैं we'll get the brief from the brand and
Right.
we'll work out a idea around that. Then of course we create, we produce content in the form of articles. So
Right.
article writers हैं,
Right.
we have video producers जो कि
Correct.
video पूरा content बनाते हैं, वो video production बनाते हैं, करते हैं. And third part is the distribution. क्योंकि we are also a media publisher, we already have a captive audience. We utilize that captive audience to reach out to them and kind of give. So मतलब अगर सही शब्दों में कहा जाए तो आपने ताजमहल बना लिया बट किसी ने देखा नहीं तो फायदा क्या.
Exactly.
So मतलब it is important to,
आपके क्रिएटिव्स तो बहुत
Yeah.
अच्छे हैं, आपकी
हाँ.
वीडियो बहुत अच्छी है, कंटेंट बहुत अच्छा है, पर देखने
but
वाला
किसी ने
कोई
देखा नहीं.
है.
So the distribution strategy is very important. So the distribution team ensures कि how it is marketed or how it's amplified to the right kind of audience जिनके लिए वो है. For example, if you are doing something on auto, so auto lovers के पास वो कैसे जाएगा, that is
that is again important.
That's important.
So in a way we have three forms of content. One is in the text form जो हम blogs articles push करते हैं. The second is we have static और creatives होते हैं जिनको हम push करते हैं on social media and other platforms पे. And the third is video content. Out of three, which is the most preferable form of content for the consumers?
Okay, if I say there are three formats like you said, but कौन सा preferable है उस for that it is important to know what is the objective. For example, article will be more conducive if I'm talking about health, because people would take their time, want to read about it. So आपका article will work over there much more. But in today's scenario, video has become very relevant. And I'll tell you the whole transition that happened. So the transition happened when during 2016-17, I think, जब the whole transition the 4G came and everything.
Right.
तो उस समय the video consumption grew. And not just in metros, it grew in the rural areas, in the tier 2, tier 3 towns.
Correct.
And that is where the whole consumption patterns also changed
Right.
for video. And at that point of time, if you remember, TikTok आया था, and
हाँ.
TikTok in 2017 it came, and they grew rapidly to 200 million audiences
Right.
or user base.
Right.
So what happened at that point of time is people who were actually consuming the content became content creators also.
Exactly.
It was a good way of earning.
Right.
So content in the form of short form or in the form of long form videos, video became very engaging at that point of time.
Exactly.
So aaj, if I say, it is definitely very, you have to utilize the videos in more effective manner to reach out to your audience, because
Right.
it is actually very engaging.
Right. Right.
But yeah, I think this is going to be an important asset.
Right. Is there any dominance or the influence created by the social media giants, or we can call it social media platforms? वीडियो कंटेंट को वो ज्यादा पुश कर रहे हैं?
Definitely push कर रहे हैं, because at this point of time, I mean, I've had certain conferences for Google. The push for YT shorts have increased. The push for Instagram reels have increased. So both
even
Meta,
LinkedIn ने भी शुरू कर दिया.
correct. So both I think all the social media platforms are focusing on short form content as of now. But video is a very critical part to them. क्योंकि consumption ज़्यादा है, इसलिए advertising ज़्यादा है. So everything is linked, right?
Right.
So
Correct.
even they want to earn, right? So
Obviously.
so they anything which is like more engaging, so they would want to kind of promote it, and that is why the advertiser's money is also there. So coming back to your question, कि कहते हैं, I mean the social media. The social media has been very critical part of the distribution strategy that I was talking earlier. So I mean, we as a media publisher will have certain audience, but
Right.
we don't have the entire audience to ourselves. So what we also do, we also have separate channels for ourselves on social media. For example, Instagram पे मेरा page होगा. I will have a page on Facebook. I will have a page on YouTube.
Right.
And for me, I have to leverage that audience as well.
Right.
So definitely, social media platforms are a very critical part of the distribution strategy
Right.
for any content marketer or for any publisher as well.
Right. So as a brand, or maybe as a marketeer, or maybe as an agency, if we talk about, how difficult was the transition from static content? Static means the textual content in the form of blogs or static posts, from static content to video content.
So the transition, see, it all depends on the kind of user we have. So aaj the user is preferring video, so we have to transition. I mean, we have to move according to the times, right? And so the whole the advertising strategy changes. You know, you want to do a lot more. So I'll tell you, I mean, पहले it's not just text से कहते video आया, text से long form video आया, फिर short form video आया.
Exactly.
So it's like this, it's ever changing, the evolution will be consistent. So when I say the transition from static to video, so it all depends on the kind of idea we have.
Okay.
अगर idea relevant रहा और idea को हम उस तरह से mold कर सकें, then the transition will never be difficult.
Okay.
But now I think as marketeers, as an agency, we have to find different ideas which can be relevant in video format, right?
So you mean to say कि idea पे भी depend करता है कि वो video content में ज़्यादा अच्छा जा सकता है या static content में ज़्यादा अच्छा जा सकता है?
Absolutely, उस पर depend करता है, but क्योंकि demand आजकल वीडियो की ज़्यादा है, so we have to do it.
Right.
Yeah, but there could be possibilities कि ठीक है हम उसको वही चीज़ को हम articles के form में better कह सकें. But yes, I think everyone is evolving now. I think the whole transition is happening right now.
Okay. Video content की shelf life ज़्यादा है?
I don't think so कि shelf life का matter है यहाँ पे. It is more about distribution over here.
Okay. Why?
See, shelf life आर्टिकल की भी हुई है. So for example, if I as a publisher, मैं अगर आर्टिकल पब्लिश करता हूँ तो वो भी लाइफ टाइम तक रहता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम आर्टिकल का हटा देते हैं. बट इट अगेन लिंक्स बैक टू दी कंजम्पशन पैटर्न, क्योंकि कंजम्पशन पैटर्न वीडियो का ज़्यादा है. दैट इज वाई दी ट्रांजिशन टुवर्ड्स वीडियो इज मोर. The shelf life is more because it is seen more, it is discoverable more. But having said that, I think अगर पूछा रहे कि शेल्फ लाइफ दोनों की क्या है, तो आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज अ डिफरेंस. आई थिंक आर्टिकल की भी शेल्फ लाइफ लंबी होती है, वीडियो की भी शेल्फ लाइफ लंबी होती है, बट इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द काइंड ऑफ कंटेंट वी आर सेइंग. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर मैं एक आज के शेयर्स की बात कर रहा हूँ, राइट, सो इफ आई एम डूइंग अ कंटेंट ऑन दैट विल हैव अ शॉर्टर शेल्फ लाइफ, राइट. लॉन्ग टेल कंटेंट है ही नहीं. बट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट कि how do you like iPhone 15, and maybe the purchase decision happens after 2 years also, but it will still be relevant,
right.
So it doesn't matter. I think the shelf life would be there according to the need of the content.
When we put a video as a creator, when we put a video on social media, वो automatically आपके interest base पे आपको automatically push होती है.
Yeah.
You'll keep on seeing such videos. एक आई दूसरी आई, maybe other creator, another creator, then another creator. But जो text based content होता है, जो blogs हैं, articles हैं, until unless you put any particular specific keyword on that, वो आपके पास नहीं आता, वो विजिबिलिटी नहीं आती उसके पास. तो शेल्फ लाइफ वहाँ पे कम हो रही है या बढ़ रही है?
Okay, so I'll answer that question. I think, see, I mean, these giants, especially the social media giants, be it YouTube, be it Facebook, Instagram, so anyone, I think all of them have a good algorithm mechanism. So they will understand your interests and they will push the content according to your interest. But now I think for the text content also, being a publisher, I know, because as a publisher we also have created content recommendation engine.
Okay.
तो हमने भी क्या किया है कि when we are pushing, we understand, we bucket the users into certain interest. उन interest के according we try to push them content from the article point of view as well. Right. But yes, I would say video has a better shelf life according to this particular topic you're talking.
This particular perspective.
Yes.
So you talked about storytelling. How important storytelling in video content, and how is it how is it differ from the traditional method of content marketing, just like static posts that we used to do?
Okay. See, video allows you. It has a longer time, right? It allows you to say more. I think to communicate more. So and effectively video में storytelling is the key, right? And if I talk about, for example, I'll give you one of the examples we have done. So we were given a brief from Maruti Grand Vitara. Okay. That they wanted to do a content marketing format on Grand Vitara, and the brief was that it's a all terrain car. Right? Okay. It's like a SUV which is all terrain. So हमने क्या किया था? We gave it a story spin. So our story was that you compare, you do an analogy with a man, with a
Okay.
so man, what I mean, a human के साथ क्या होता है? Human is very resilient.
हाँ.
He can come out from any situation, right?
Exactly.
He can win from any situation.
हाँ.
आप उसे, he will go through ups and downs, but he'll come out as a winner.
Exactly.
Right? That's the resilience of a human.
हाँ.
So we drove that analogy with the car. So हमने कहा कि कहते हैं this car has the same analogy as of a man,
Okay.
and can go through any terrain and come out as a winner.
Right.
So then over
That's
here,
a brilliant idea.
so then of course, no, when you say stories in such a way, the storytelling actually, is very critical to do that. And that is the video they've kind of loved, and kind of we shot that video on Spiti, and they kind of loved the video.
Right.
Because it is important that the right story is told and the brand message is also communicated.
Right. What is the future of video content in content marketing?
So like I was telling you earlier, the content world is ever evolving, right? And we have seen the transition from mere time pe I have seen that evolution. I think I've started content marketing from 2014, and I've seen three transitions. So there was article at one point of time was very much in. Then we had long form video. Long form video ke baad, now we have short form video. So we don't know what will come in the future. It's an ever changing, ever evolving field. But you have to update yourself. You have to
Right.
upgrade yourself.
Right.
With what is the coming phenomenon. So अगर मैं वीडियो के भी एग्जांपल्स दूं तो you've seen that transition कि पहले एक टेस्टिमोनियल वीडियोस होते थे.
हाँ.
Then we had हमें नए फॉर्मेट्स निकाले. We had animation.
Right.
We had whiteboard animation.
हाँ.
We had lot of
Correct.
other. We had, so now the podcasts. Of
हाँ.
course, this is the format which is in. And
The one we are doing here.
yes, the one we are doing over here. So audio also is one of the critical parts now. I think now that is why I would say that it's a ever-changing phenomenon, and I think video will be there to stay.
Okay. So on the basis of your experience, what do you want to say about video marketing, or I would say content marketing, to all our listeners, viewers, and जो marketers हैं, जो अपना करियर भी बनाना चाहते हैं, जिन्होंने अपना करियर अभी शुरू किया है इसमें?
So content marketing has to be, see, it is not the only one form of content marketing will not work. So you have to pivot into different things, right? For example, at Jagran, I think what we are doing, we are pivoting into multiple formats. So we are doing content marketing via events. We are doing content marketing via podcast. We are doing content marketing via articles.
Okay.
And we pivoted into a production house as well.
Wow.
So we are doing white label content for the brands as well. So it's a form of content marketing itself, right? And we've done music videos also.
Oh, wow.
So music video, maybe you are actually, but it's a content marketing format.
Exactly.
Right? When you're saying you're communicating a brand's problem, and I think you're giving
Exactly.
you're maintaining an objective over there. So it's in I think we have to pivot. We have to kind of upgrade yourself, and that is how I think we'll be relevant for the longer times.
So what is hyperlocal content and what is its relevance?
Okay, like every user will have a different preference of content, at different spaces. For example, Gujarati, if I go to Gujarat, I think the Gujarati content would differ from what will happen in UP.
Right.
So one is the region, and then even in Gujarat, there will be different pockets will have different content consumption patterns, right? So you, as a marketer, it is very important to learn and address to those situations. You have to address to that audience that how उनके पास अगर जाना है, उनके पास अगर content करना है. So how you kind of reach out to that audience. That is where hyperlocal will kind of win. Nowadays you see कि जितने भी influencers हैं, so there are no national influencers, there are regional influencers. Regional में भी pocket based पे influencers हैं, and
language based
influencers हैं. So influencers have told us that hyperlocal is so important कि अगर आप मेरे मतलब का content आप मेरे तरीके से मेरी लैंग्वेज में कह रहे हो, तो then I'm a very relevant, then I'm as a viewer I'm very relevant, right? That is where. So I think advertisers have understood that, and they kind of they are noticing it and they're actually pushing money.
इवन
over there.
जिन डिवाइसेस पे हम कंज्यूम करते हैं वो कंटेंट, उन डिवाइसेस पे भी लैंग्वेजेस होती हैं.
Correct.
So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm sure you must have learned a lot from this podcast, and thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for inviting me. It was a wonderful, insightful session. Thank you.
And it was indeed a pro session from my side.
Thank you so much.
Guys, we are growing in a very rapid pace on LinkedIn, and just we need your help to grow on our YouTube as well as on Instagram. So guys, please like, follow, share and subscribe to our channels. The links are in bio.